How to fix YouTube autoplay not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube autoplay not working so you can play your videos continuously without interruptions. Let's get started. First, if you're on mobile, go ahead and open up YouTube application and check if the autoplay switch at the top is toggled on or not. For that, open up any one of your videos. As you guys can see here, right here on top, I've got the autoplay toggle turned off. So tap on it to turn it on, and now autoplay is on. Then you can also sign into your account. Autoplay works properly only if you are signed into a Google account. Log out and log back in if needed. Then you can also try to clear cache for YouTube. So for that, you can go to your YouTube settings, tap on app info, then go to storage, and then select clear cache. Once you've cleared cache, go back and then you can check your internet connection. Autoplay may fail if your connection is slow or unstable. You can try to switch over to Wi-Fi or mobile data and vice versa. So I'll just go ahead and switch over to mobile data, and if you're on Wi-Fi, just turn it off and switch back again. If that doesn't work, try restarting your device. Long press on power button and tap on restart, and that should do it. Following these steps should fix your YouTube autoplay issue and let your videos play seamlessly. If this helped you out, hit the like button in the video, subscribe to our channel, turn on the bell icon to get notified, and I'll see you guys in the next one.